let's open this up here. And as you can see right away, you know exactly where this is from. All right, out here, let's see what I got. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Some beautiful charcoal gray socks and some more lighter gray socks. So definitely would like to add this to my repertoire here. And you can see, let's flip it over. And what a beautiful picture that is. Wow, what a beautiful picture. I love these kind of loafers. I think they're Belgian loafers, but I can't really tell, but that looks like a Belgian loafer to me. But that's a beautiful color combination there. Love it, love it, love it. Rouges enthusiast, thank you for ordering again. Respectfully, Lisa. So thank you very much. Here's the story behind it. So you can check it out right here. And there it is. I will leave it up there. Here you go. This is the brand of sock. As mentioned in the previous video, this company carries every single sock you could ever want to have in your entire life. And I mean from summer to winter to different occasions. I mean, they just have just about every damn sock you could ever want in your entire life. Here you go. Here's the other one right there. So I was looking for some more dress socks, because why not? And they just fit the bill, so that's exactly why I got them. And I mentioned this in a previous video. Once you get over the calf socks as dress socks, you will wonder how you ever survive without them. And I mean that seriously. And it may sound absolutely nuts to you guys. Let's get into what you should do to treat these. So what the first thing I'm going to do is I always hand wash these. Don't put them in the dryer. Don't put them in the washing machine. Just hand wash them, leave them out to dry. It's a lot easier to take care of them that way, and they'll last a hell of a lot longer. So please do keep that in mind. If you buy socks that are more delicate, dress socks, wash them by hand, and definitely do not put them in the washer and dryer. So that's exactly what I'd recommend. All right, at the end video, I will do a review, which is what I did. I did a review on this company and the socks I had previously purchased from them. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hopefully today is the day that you do so. And please look down below in the description for daily content. Y'all have a wonderful day.